Here is for the steel parts for manufacture here. You see our workers is ready to start for work. So you see our engineer is ready for work. All machine spare parts are ready in our warehouse. Our engineer is ready to start work for making the spare parts. So you're always welcome. An order. Hello, how are you doing? This is Jack speaking. Our factory has ready to start for work. All the person stay in the working places for work. This is Mr. Chu. This is Mr. Hu. 我跟妈妈. Some of the spare parts has already finished. Some of the spare parts waiting for delivery and still installed here. These are some of the sample. As you see.